It's Friday, and that means we are covering the courts. My name's Grace Runkle, and I'm going to walk you through all the big cases that we're going to be keeping an eye on over the next week. Now, we're actually going to be keeping our focus in Greenville County, the first case going before a judge on Monday. Now, you might remember this crime scene from 2018. Two men charged with murder will be going before a judge next week. Investigators say Suevargio Rector and Octavio Wright conspired to kill 53-year-old Hall Askew on Christmas Day 2018. Now, we were there when the judge denied both suspects their bond. Askew was the brother of the press secretary for former South Carolina Governor Carroll Campbell, and he also worked for the former President George W. Bush. Askew's father was a publisher of the Greenville News, and we last checked with investigators. They did not know or had not released a motive for the murder. Now, again, staying in Greenville County, now we're going to be looking at a lawsuit. So this is one we've covered before. A judge is going to hear two motions in a lawsuit between the Peace Center and a Greenville activist. Bruce Wilson says the Peace Center violated a verbal agreement with him to partner in putting on annual Juneteenth celebrations. Now, the two did work together last summer. Wilson filed a suit that you can see outlined here this summer after the Peace Center decided to work with a different group this year. So the two motions that the judge is going to be hearing this coming week. The first one is the Peace Center's motion to dismiss the complaint. They argue that there was never a written program, so they aren't violating anything. Bruce himself says that they had a verbal agreement. Now, the judge is also going to be hearing another motion filed by the Peace Center. This one is to protect them from the discovery phase. So that means that it would prohibit the plaintiff, Bruce Wilson, from getting any documents, communications, whatever he might be trying to request from them should this move forward. So again, we're going to get probably some big decisions in this case this coming week, figure out whether or not it's going to be moving forward, and we'll of course keep you updated on that. So to find out the latest on both of these cases and to see what else is coming up in the upstate courts, you're going to want to check back in next Friday.